Hello, my lovely. Welcome back to my kitchen. It is really good to have you here. And if today is your first time visiting, I hope you consider to join us by subscribing, also activating your bell icon. So, my lovely, today I would love to share with you this flaky, delicious sausage roll that you can make in the comfort of your own home, following this step-by-step easy recipe. You would absolutely fall in love with it. So come on in and let's begin. I have with me here some sausages that I brought from the supermarket. I'll go ahead and remove the coating and then mash it up. Once everything has been mashed up nicely, heat up some oil in a frying pan, and then you want to add in your chopped onions. If your sausages contain a lot of fat, you may not even need to add any oil. Mind you, this sausage is store-bought and therefore it has been seasoned with herbs and spices already. Next, I'm going to go in with some chopped garlic, and then I will press and stir everything together. Now, let's personalize this. In here are bouillon powder, mixed herbs, and a little bit of smoked paprika. I'll go ahead and stir fry everything. Now this is done. Just take a look at how simple and delicious this looks. In a separate bowl, I'm going to be adding 4 cups of flour. Into my flour, I added some nutmeg, adobo seasoning, and baking powder. After stirring everything, I would add an egg, butter. This is some vinegar. Only 1 tablespoon goes in, together with some milk. Okay, once everything is in, I'll go in with my hands and mix everything together. You want to mix until the flour becomes crumbly like this, and we're going to be adding some cold water. Now let's go in again and bring everything together. On a clean surface, I floured my board lightly, and I'm going to go ahead and knead it for about only 2 to 3 minutes. I know that kneading isn't anybody's friend, but this is so quick. When your dough is this sticky, it is good to go. Let's now go ahead and divide it. Try as much as possible to divide them into equal parts so that your sausage rolls look equal and beautiful. As you can imagine, the next thing we are going to do is to roll these up. You can roll this into squares or circles. Once that is done, grab another one and roll it into the same size and thickness until everything is done. And now I'll take one and butter it slightly. Cover it with another layer. Continue to butter and lay them on until you get a pile like this. My dear, trust the process. You would get flaky, crumbly sausage roll at home. This is a stack of about 6 of them, and now it is perfect. Here, grab your rolling pin and then pin them together, making sure not to rip them up because of the butter. Follow the process just as I am doing and make yourself the best puff pastry dough for the sausage roll. I'm going to cover this in a plastic and leave it in the fridge for about 1 hour. Now our dough is perfectly chilled. Let's go ahead and roll this. So once that is rolled, I'm going to make some incisions. But before that, let's spread a little bit of butter and go ahead and do so. What we are doing here is to ensure that we build good layers so that the sausage roll becomes so crumbly and flaky. Go in with your rolling pin and then flatten it up again. Once you achieve this, now it is time to divide our dough into smaller portions to roll up our sausage roll. Go in with this delicious minced sausage filling, and then we are going to be rolling. And if you have not already subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so, activating your bell icon. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more simple and delicious recipes. Thank you very much. First, you want to pin the shorter side of the dough in, and then followed by the longer side, and then pin them together. I really want you to try this at home, following this easy step-by-step recipe, and you would absolutely love it. This is the end product. It is done. Let's go and line this up on our tray. At this stage, we are going to give it a nice egg and milk wash to give it a beautiful color and also that golden nice color once the sausage rolls are baked. Make that signature incision on our sausage roll. Bake it for about 20 minutes until it is nice and gold. Just take a look at how golden and beautiful these turned out. It is so flaky and the inside is just beautiful. It tastes incredibly delicious and you will not believe you made this at home. I hope you give this a go. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the like. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you in my next upload. Take care, my dear. Bye bye.